Trading is a way to earn funds from buying and selling financial assets. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum can also be traded to earn profits. The goal is to buy a cryptocurrency of your choice cheaper and sell it for more. Before getting started on crypto trading, you should know that crypto trading is different from crypto investments. Crypto investments involve you holding cryptocurrencies long-term, for years, even decades. Crypto trading is short-term. It could take minutes, hours, days, weeks, or a few months max. You earn profits from the price fluctuations of the volatile crypto markets. Popular trading slangs you should know. HODL, holding onto a cryptocurrency and not selling it even if its price dips. Dump, when a trader suddenly sells off cryptocurrency, probably motivated by a downward trend in the market. Exchange, a crypto exchange platform such as Yellow Card, where traders can network to buy or sell an asset, cryptocurrency. FOMO, fear of missing out on a potentially profitable trading opportunity. JOMO, joy of missing out on a trading opportunity that resulted in a loss. Over-the-counter OTC, when trades are completed between two parties without using an exchange. Pump and dump P&D scheme, a fraudulent scheme put in place to inflate the price of a cryptocurrency to sell at a higher price. Whale, a whale is an individual who holds a significant amount of cryptocurrency. A large buy or sell order from such an individual may alter the price of a cryptocurrency. Go long, when a trader enters or exits the trade because of the expectation of a cryptocurrency price to increase. Go short, when a trader enters or exits the trade with the expectation that a cryptocurrency price would decrease. Bid-ask spread, the calculated difference between the highest price a buyer is willing to buy and the lowest price the seller is interested in selling. Trading strategies you can employ include 1. Swing trading. Swing traders hold cryptocurrency for a couple of days and sometimes months. Undervalued cryptocurrencies are purchased and sold when they rise in price. 2. Position trading. Crypto assets are held for longer, even months, while the trader observes the market. It is a favorite among beginners. It gives them a more extended period to evaluate their decisions and to make the most profits. 3. Day trading. Buying and selling are completed within 24 hours. Traders make use of tools like technical analysis to determine the best time to trade. The crypto market doesn't have a closing time, so traders can buy and sell at any time. 4. Scalp trading. It's completed in a few minutes with sales and purchases being made based on small price fluctuations. As a result of the short time frame, profits are often made at 1% margin. For scalp trading, you would require a wealth of knowledge of the market, trends, and use of tools like technical analysis. Day and scalp trading might be difficult for beginners to handle without the needed experience. What are trading pairs? Cryptocurrencies can be bought or sold directly for money or traded for each other. Trading pairs are cryptocurrencies traded for each other. You can trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, Ethereum for Tether, or vice versa. There are two currencies in a trading pair. Base currency, the currency you hold but wish to trade for another. Code currency, the currency you wish to trade for. Not all cryptocurrency exchanges allow trading pairs. Be sure to confirm with your crypto exchange that they accept the trading pair you wish to trade in. Now that you have learned about cryptocurrencies, you can start trading. But first, you need to select a fiat to crypto exchange. Find a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to exchange your local currency to your desired currency. Yellow Card provides this option for citizens of several African countries, including Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Cameroon, Botswana, and many others. Choose a crypto trading platform that offers the best rates, security, and has the cryptocurrencies you wish to trade available. Be sure to also check for their validity and reviews among their customers. Tips to keep in mind while trading. Keep note of market trends while trading. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Manage your risks. DYOR. Do your own research. Don't be misinformed or misguided by emotions, but let logic and research guide you. Crypto trading is not difficult to start. As you practice and learn more about the crypto market, you can increase your profit margins. Download the Yellow Card mobile app to get started.